Laura, I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to do DIY clay crosses. So if you're doing this at home, what I recommend that you use is polymer clay, or like Sculpey or Fimo, which you can bake in your own oven, and you don't have to put in a kiln as you would with ceramic clay. The one thing about that, however, is that you will want to wash your oven afterward, or if you can use a toaster oven, use a toaster oven, easier to clean. And yeah, if you're going to use anything you're eating with, you want to make sure that it's protected. For instance, this rolling pin, I do not want to roll out dough with this after touching polymer, unless, of course, it is covered with saran wrap, which it is. So what we're going to do is we are going to roll this out after we're done kneading it. Roll it out. You want it to be thinner than an inch so that it will fire more nicely. All right, and now we have our surface to work on. So what you'll need is some sort of like a pointed tool or a knife. A knife will work just fine. Just make sure you clean it before you use it if you're using it for food. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut out your basic shape. You can use a ruler for this if you want it to be very straight. I'm going to show you how to make something very basic. Also remember, if you're cutting on a diagonal, the end result is going to be on a diagonal. You can push in with your fingers afterward, but generally if you want it to be straight, you want to cut straight down. So here's the bottom. I'm going to drag my tool up. I'm going to do that on the other side as well. But again, I'm doing something very basic that I would put in the oven, and maybe then I would paint it, which is another option for polymer clay. It can absolutely be painted on. So here is our basic cross. What you would do is you would follow the instructions on your package of clay, and it'll tell you exactly how it needs to be cooked. That is how you make a DIY cross out of clay. I'm Laura, thank you for watching.